So this XAUUSD analysis for Thursday 14th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we were saying that we were in and around this 1296, which we currently still are. And we were mentioning that if we did see a breakdown from 1296, we're looking for a move down to the 1290 before looking to target the 1288. Now, we didn't quite get down towards that 1288. What we did see was a move down towards the 1292, from which we have found support. Had prices head back above the 1296 here on the XAUUSD. So, if we continue to see the price progression here beyond the 1296, currently at 1302 at present, we're looking to see our price react with that 1305 test. If we do find resistance there, we're looking for a move potentially down to the 1296. And if there's acceleration momentum, 1288 or possibly at 1284 may just come into focus here on the XAUUSD. I don't anticipate 1279.42, essentially 1280. But if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 1279.42 may come into focus. But I do think it's unlikely. If, however, we do see a break of 1305, look to see our price react towards that 1307.18 before looking to see if we do head up towards that 1313.58. Beyond 1313.58, there is a 1320.25 level, but I don't anticipate that coming to focus unless we do have a particularly volatile day here on the XAUUSD. Now, what we'll do is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing here on the XAUUSD. So we were saying previously that after having this pullback, having a sell-off, we did appear to form a low here. We've had a test of that 200 period moving average on a daily chart in around at 1307.18. Brief pullback. We did appear to put in a higher low above the 1288. This level marked out here in blue. We appear to put in a higher low in around 1290 level, from which we've seen the buy side momentum come into the market. Not very strong buy side momentum, somewhat indecisive in a way, but buy side momentum nonetheless. And we've seen this continued progression here to the upside. So again, we'll see how price react towards a key level in around at 1307 with added confidence of 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. And if we can break above there, I suppose the very next major swing that we look to see here in this market will move up towards our 1325, 1326, where we previously had a pullback here on the XAUUSD. So if we do see this continued price progression to the upside, that's the very next level that we're looking at from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.